No, baby. What the? No. Oh my friend. It's very deep, friend.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm making it. The green scenic you're seeing now is the beautiful Ruby Lake. We weren't able to make it due to swamp that sank our foot, and our cars would have never made it without the winch, which we don't have. We turned our backs to Ruby Falls Trail. You're good, that speed slow. Start straightening it up a little bit. There's a rock there. Start straightening up. Very slow, very slow. Little more to your left, or right, sorry, right. Stay there, stay. Turn right a little bit, or left. Slight. That's too much. And then now right turn, right. Oh, you have to go back a bit. So the Jeep, being a little bit wider, it just enough to clear this tree. And as you can see, he has to turn very smidge, and then the Jeep ran out of fuel because it's on the slope. So we're gonna fuel up, start the car, clear this out. The tires did slip as we come down, so we have to be very cautious, but yeah, this is what adventure's about, right? Very fun. And there's Marford giving some fuel. And yeah, this is what it's called. I think he might be able to turn just a smidge on the steering and should be able to clear. Let's see how it happens. In the spite of the moment, I forgot to turn on the camera for that one. Sorry guys.
We're earlier.
Yeah, I guess we went up that one.
There are guys that left 9:30, like the ones we talked to.
Oh yeah? I think we can just pass them there.
So. Oh, we didn't see this.
This is the trail I was talking about.
Oh, it's certainly my bad.
Oh, it is a big group. There's a big group up front, and I think we're gonna have to stop here for a second. is it? Looking good, guys. There are countless amount of river crossings, mud baths, and rocks. Then it opens up to yet another riverbed with the views of the Rocky Mountain. Majestic, magical, magnificent. There was a time in my life when I didn't appreciate the beauty of Canadian Rockies. Now I'm enjoying it even more so than ever, making up for the times when I didn't. There are people from different countries all over the world coming to see the Canadian Rockies, and now I can understand why. This is a lot more technical for cars or trucks that doesn't have a huge lift. They're gonna have a difficulty here. The rocks are pretty tall on some of them, and when you land, you're likely gonna bottom out on some of them, so it has to be very cautious in this area. I don't know how far we're gone, but you know, I see an opening over here. I think that might be likely the Rupee Falls over here. I see. Maybe not on the video, but I think we can see it over there.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
So we're just dipping this water. It's like ice cold. My legs, I can't even get it to my legs. It is just icy. Oh, are you okay?
Oh my God!
Right?
Oh, come on! Ow. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my God!
It's that cold. Like you wouldn't believe how, like it feels even colder than ice water. I don't know how that even works, but like, yeah, this hits different. It is so cold. It's so refreshing. The water is very clear. It's an awesome experience. I think my legs, I can't feel anything on my legs right now though. It is that cold. I'm walking towards the falls. Oh, it's very slippery here. So we've arrived after a good journey there, and this is the aftermath. It's everywhere. I got the cable broken. I think it hit against the wall. But yeah, it was super awesome. The view is very good. I'm just gonna fly the drone a little bit more up top and see what I can see there. But overall, like, this is magnificent. yeah. Even Marford there, he says this is the best trails he's ever been. So yeah, that's something to be said, right? But yeah, please do visit. This is the end of our journey. Doesn't mean it's the end of our journey perhaps, but this is the end of this trail here. We'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, you want to back up and go on the left side?
It's very deep. I'll try to make it up.
Let's see how deep it is.
Oh my friend. It's very deep, friend.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm making it.
I crossed on the other side and it is very deep, so here must be. Good luck!
There you go.
Oh, it's this one?
Yeah, it's probably this way.
Oh shit, this rock too.
Can probably go a little forward and then reverse.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, you have a little bit more. Keep going. Yeah, you're good.
Which light do you have on?
ABS as well.
Yeah, I got the ABS light, low pressure light still, service engine light, the VDC light, and the anti-slip light.
Oh, you have more than me. I don't have engine.
Yeah, it's lots of lights.
It's early Christmas.
Yeah, I got defeated by this trail.
And we're gonna come back stronger.
Roger.